We will discuss tool reliability considerations. So see, tools, they operate in the real world. Tools operate in the real world. Tools must handle network failures, because let us suppose a tool is trying to communicate or interact with a API, and any network failure occurs. So tools should handle that. So tools operate in the real world. Any failure occurs, tools should handle that. So if network failure occurs, tools, what should they do? They should keep on retrying with exponential backoff. It should keep on retrying, establishing connection with exponential backoff. Timeouts. So tools can use fixed timeouts or adaptive timeouts. So tools can use either the fixed timeouts or adaptive timeouts that adjust based on current network conditions. That adjust based on current network conditions. Tools must handle partial responses. Now the idea is that a tool can wrap business APIs, and if the business API is generating partial responses, tools should be able to handle it. So tools should be able to handle partial responses. Backend errors. So any error in the backend, like the APIs or any other system call, if any backend error is there, tools must be able to handle it. If the error rate it exceeds a certain limit, the tool trips a circuit breaker to stop sending requests immediately, giving the backend time to recover. See, the idea is that let us suppose some backend error is there. Now, if the tool will keep on requesting the backend, it might create some very disastrous situation. So there should be a circuit breaker in place wherein the tool can trigger it, so that further request will get stopped and it will give the backend time to recover. And also, whenever any backend error is there, instead of showing a blank screen, we should show some relevant methods, like some relevant information we should show rather than just showing a blank screen. The tools, they should also handle like rate limits. Like tools must monitor for too many requests and respect the retry after header if provided. Throttling. The tool can proactively slow down its own request rate to stay within known limits of the service. So the tool can proactively slow down its own request rate to stay within known limits of the service. So now it's very clear that agents, the tools, they operate in the real world. In the real world is very uncertain, and reliability is all about handling the uncertainty. So the tools, they must handle the network failures, they must handle timeouts, partial responses, backend errors, and rate limits. So agent systems must include retry logic, timeout controls, fallback strategies, error propagation rules. Tool reliability determines agent reliability. Because see, the idea is that the agents have to be reliable. For the agents to be reliable, it must include the tools. For the tools to be reliable, it has to include retry logic, timeout controls, fallback strategies, error propagation rules. So tool reliability determines the agent reliability. Unreliable tools, it create cascading failures. Unreliable tools, it creates cascading failures.